folks? Welcome back to the channel. I'm on my way to Blanchard Springs as soon as I get through whatever's going on here. Alright, I just passed it. I have to turn around. Let's see. There's a scenic byway through here. Maybe I'm on it. I'll have to look that up. Anyway, there's Blanchard Springs Caverns down here. I'm not doing that today. I just want to go to there's a waterfall down here, if I remember correctly. It's like a small one that comes out of a bat cave. I think there's signs up that says, you know, don't drink the water because it's got bat crap in it, you know. Alright, so now I'm on track. There's a bit of an overcast today, so I'm not sure how that's going to look on the GoPro. Speaking of the GoPro, I'm using the 7 right now. I have 7 and 8, but it actually froze up on me. And so I had to stop and fix that before it killed my battery. That's the only second time that's happened to me. And I've heard that a lot of people have that problem with the 7. Now, I haven't had any problems with the 8. I saw where the 9's about to come out. Wondering what kind of features that's going to have. Not that I'm going to run out and buy the 9. Shit. I've already, you know, I bought 7 and 8. Okay. Now I got to figure out where I need to go. Okay, that's blocked off. You have to bear with me. I have no idea where I'm going. But that's a good thing, right? That's part of the ride. So if this is actually a 15, that was it. That's not a 15 mile per hour for sure. That's more like a 25. Alright, that's not it. I'll eventually figure it out. Until then, you can listen to my nonsense. Oh, so this is the 15, I guess. I don't know. How am I going? I'm doing 30 and a 15, so doing pretty good. But, you know, gotta rip through those curves, baby. Well, I'm gonna take it easy. Because on the way here, there was roadkills, and I was dodging squirrels, dead snake, you know, just what next? So I'm just kind of, is that it? Maybe that's it. Blanchard Springs Cavern. Well, that's blocked off. I don't think that's it. I don't know if it was like a campground or what it was. I've only been to this once, and that was 3 years ago, so it is beautiful out here. It's kind of, I can't go too fast because I want to make sure I don't miss the turn. I have a bad habit of that. I don't know nobody else does, because I just kind of enjoy the ride, and man, I'm just gliding through these curves, and I'm like, oh, I passed it up. Gotta turn around. Then you gotta find a place to turn around, but anyway, that's my dilemma. Nothing major. Let's see. Where are we at here? Hopefully my battery don't die on me. I think I had 60% left. I think there was a turn off before we got down here to the caverns. So can't remember if there was a sign or not. I'll eventually get us there. Either way, it's a beautiful ride. And there's nobody on this road, which is even better. Wait, is this it? This might be it. Hang on. Which spring? Okay, I'm gonna go right. I'm gonna take a chance. I'm gonna go right. I think this is it. Trying to slow down and read signs, not paying attention to gear down. Oh, this is it. I think this is it. There's the waterfall. Yeah. Okay. So I missed the part to park, I think. So there's a waterfall back there. It's going to be a long ride. Or it should be a long video. So I'll cut some of it out. There's gotta be, I swear, it's around here somewhere. Aha, this is it. So this is the spring. So I'm gonna walk us down there. Check out the Bat Cave. I don't think there's gonna be any Batman or anything like that. I couldn't get that lucky. Oh. Alright. Straighten up. Not that there's really anybody here to straighten up for, but that's okay. I'm just rambling on, you know. Just like Led Zeppelin. Wailing. Just rambling on. Alright, gotta look like I know how to park now. Alright. Let me get situated and I'll get back with you. Oh, hold up, look at this. Check that out. What? Beautiful. And this is not a reason to come to Arkansas. I don't know what is. I'm an outdoors person and I'm all about it. Alright, I'm walking down the trail to the spring. I think it's a spring. I probably don't know what I'm talking about. That's the best part about it. That's how you know this is real. I don't know what I'm talking about. But let me turn you around and show you a few things. It's beautiful here, beautiful. So check out this trail. I mean, it is well maintained. It looks so cool. So I can't remember how long this is, but you know how you're out on a trail and it just smells so good out, like you're in wilderness and you're just like, man, this is so cool. And it's like I could live out here. So take you up here and show you where it's at. How's it going? Is that a bat cave? Is that a bat cave? Yeah. You ever seen it come out?
I think they do it at night.
Oh, sure, yeah.
A lot of people take pictures back up here at the lake.
Okay. I guess people probably come out here at night, maybe. I don't know. folks, that was Blanchard Springs and Mirror Lake. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And always rip the ride.